You're an emotional fucking cripple. Your soul is dog shit. Every single fucking thing about you is ugly.
You are a sad, strange little man.
Shut that cunt's mouth or I'll come over there and start her head.
No business, born insecure junkyard motherfucker!
Hey, 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 this is Junk from Junkcast and the My Remote Radio Podcast Network, back with another week, teasing you to get your ass over to MyRemoteRadio.com or iTunes and listen to The Junkcast, as we are on movie number 4 of 26 of the 26 films of cinematic separation this week. I review Frankie and Johnny from 1991 by Gary Marshall, and why I think it's just okay, but things do piss me off about it infuriatingly. We move on to The Last Lovecraft, or The Relic of Cthulhu. It's a slow, small-budget piece of crap that had a really good idea and just not a lot of good thinking behind the camera. Captain America, the First Avenger, a movie that's actually in the theater. I know you guys are excited about that because I rarely do the new movies. Why I think Captain America is so freaking good, and you need to see this movie. The Adjustment Bureau, starring Matt Damon from 2011. It's a sci-fi, fun kind of remake of Dark City. We finish up the movie reviews this week with Sucker Punch, and I am sucker punched into believing this was a decent spending of my time, only to find out just how big a fucking piece of shit it is. Also on the show, make sure get ready for some movie news with some big information that you definitely want to hear. Short Film Corner, where I discuss the Hunger Games short films. Junkalette of the Week, starring Deneen Melody, who kicks 7 shades of ass and why. And of course, the Producer's Question of the Week, and a contest where you can win free movies. Head on over to MyRemoteRadio.com and listen to the Junkcast episode 85. Do it! Or I'll feed your cat pancakes. She probably won't like it.